Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most practical and life-changing books, Mini Habits, by Stephen Guise. Every one of us dreams of improving our life. We want to wake up early, exercise daily, eat healthy, or learn new skills. But let's be honest, most of us start with great excitement and quit within a few days. Why does this happen? Because we aim too big, too soon, and our brain simply gives up. So, what's the solution? How can we bring real, lasting change into our lives without depending on motivation? That's exactly what Stephen Guise teaches us through his powerful idea Mini Habits. Let's dive into this amazing concept that proves small steps can lead to giant success. Part 1. What are mini habits? The word mini means tiny or very small, and habits means the things we do repeatedly. So, mini habits means small, simple actions that are so easy, you can't say no. Stephen Guise discovered this concept accidentally. He always wanted to work out, but he kept failing again and again. One day, he challenged himself to do just one push-up a day. That's it, only one. Sounds silly, right? But that one push-up changed everything. Because once he got down to do one push-up, his mind said, well, since I'm already here, let's do a few more. And soon, he found himself doing a full workout. That's the power of small beginnings. Many habits are so small that your brain doesn't resist them. And once you start, momentum takes over. So remember, greater than one small action today can build the foundation for massive success tomorrow. Part 2. Don't depend on motivation. Stephen says, motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like the wind. We often say, I'll study when I feel motivated. I'll exercise when I feel energetic. But guess what? Those moments rarely come. Motivation is emotional, it depends on mood, energy, and environment. And if you rely on it, your growth will be inconsistent. Instead of depending on motivation, Stephen suggests relying on strategy, a plan that works even when you don't feel like working. That's where mini habits shine. They are so simple that you can do them without needing motivation. For example, reading one page, writing one sentence, or doing one push-up requires almost no mental effort. But doing it every single day builds unstoppable consistency. So, stop chasing motivation and start building systems. Part 3. Trick your brain into change. Our brain resists change. Whenever we try to make big changes, our subconscious mind says, this is hard. Let's not do it. That's why people quit New Year's resolutions, because their goals are too big. But when you start tiny, your brain doesn't feel threatened. If you say, I'll walk for just 2 minutes, your brain agrees easily. And once you start walking, you naturally go longer. This is called the brain trick of mini habits. You trick your mind into progress by making the task too small to refuse. Over time, these tiny actions start changing how you see yourself. You begin to think, I'm the kind of person who works out daily. I'm a reader. I'm a consistent person. And when your identity changes, your behavior automatically follows. That's the psychology behind real, lasting change. Part 4. The smart use of willpower. Stephen Guise talks deeply about willpower, the mental energy you use to make decisions and take actions. The problem is, willpower is limited. Every big decision or effort drains it. That's why, after a long day, you feel too tired to study or exercise. You've used up your willpower. But many habits use willpower wisely. Because small actions don't consume much energy or discipline. For example, if your goal is to read 10 pages, your brain resists. But if your goal is just one page, your brain says, sure, easy. And once you begin, momentum often carries you beyond your tiny target. That's why mini habits are foolproof. They make use of your limited willpower efficiently and build habits that stick. Part 5. The power of consistency. Stephen Guise says, consistency beats intensity. You don't need to make huge efforts once in a while. You just need to do small things every day. If you do something daily, even for 2 minutes, it starts rewiring your brain. Your identity starts changing. And that's when real transformation begins. Think of brushing your teeth. It's automatic now because you've done it daily for years. That's how habits work, through repetition and consistency. Many habits make consistency easy, because they are too small to skip. And when you're consistent, the results compound. Just like money grows with interest, your habits grow with repetition. Part 6: The 4-step formula for building mini habits. Stephen gives us a clear 4-step method to create powerful mini habits that last. Step 1: choose a very small target. Start ridiculously small. Something you can do even on your worst day. Examples: 1 push up a day. Read 1 paragraph. Write 1 sentence. Meditate for 1 minute. The smaller, the better. Step 2: do it every day, no excuses. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Even if you are tired, do the minimum. When you repeat an action daily, it slowly becomes automatic. That's when it turns into a habit. Step 3: reward yourself for small wins. After completing your mini habit, feel good about it. Say to yourself, yes, I did it. This positive reinforcement makes your brain associate happiness with the habit, making it easier to repeat next time. Step 4: naturally increase the level. Once the mini habit feels effortless, slowly increase it. But don't force it. Let the habit grow naturally. Remember, you grow from success, not from pressure. Stephen says beautifully, be proud of small wins, because they create big success. Part 7: Real life examples. Let's look at some simple examples that can change your life. 1. Want to start writing? Write just 1 sentence a day. Soon, you'll find yourself writing a full page. 2. Want to get fit? Start with just 1 push up a day. After a few days, your body will naturally want to do more. 3. Want to read more books? Read just 1 page a day. Before you know it, you'll finish a book in a few weeks. These are tiny actions, but their effects are massive. Because once you start, you build momentum. And momentum is what creates long-term results. Part 8: How mini habits build confidence. Every time you complete a small goal, you feel successful. And that sense of success boosts your confidence. You start believing, I can do this. I'm disciplined. I keep my promises. This shift in self-belief is what creates real, lasting confidence. Stephen says, small wins change your identity faster than big failures. When you succeed at something, even small, your brain records it as a win. And when you collect more wins, your belief system transforms. That's how many habits rebuild your self-esteem and give you the strength to go after bigger dreams. Part 9: Why mini habits actually work. Let's understand the science behind why this method is so powerful. There are 3 main reasons. 1. Low resistance. Your brain doesn't resist small tasks. You say, I'll just do 1, and your brain agrees. 2. High consistency. Since it's easy, you can do it every day, creating powerful routines. 3. Positive momentum. Once you start, it's easier to continue. Action creates energy, and energy leads to more action. That's why Stephen says, big results come from small beginnings. Many habits create a chain reaction. Small steps, right pointing arrow, build consistency, right pointing arrow, change identity, right pointing arrow, create success. Part 10: How to design your own mini habits routine. Here's a quick formula you can apply today. 1. Pick one habit you want to build. Example: exercise, reading, meditation, journaling. 2. Break it down to the smallest possible action. Example: 1 push up, 1 page, 1 minute. 3. Attach it to a daily cue. Example: right after brushing your teeth or before sleeping. 4. Track it daily, use a notebook or app. Seeing progress keeps you motivated. 5. Never skip 2 days in a row. Even 1 minute counts, just keep the streak alive. Over time, your mini habits will turn into mega results. Part 11: The long term impact of mini habits. Mini habits aren't about quick fixes, they're about building a lifestyle that lasts. When you do small things daily, you start living with discipline, focus, and self respect. You'll feel more in control. You'll stop procrastinating. You'll finally become consistent, something motivation alone could never do. And one day, you'll look back and realize, those tiny steps changed my entire life. So, friends, if you truly want to change your life, don't wait for motivation, don't plan for perfection. Just start small. Remember, consistency beats motivation. Small steps lead to big success. Do one push up, read one page, write one line, but do it every day. Because small actions, repeated daily, create extraordinary results over time. So, start today, take one tiny step toward the person you want to become. Your future self will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this summary and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll bring you more powerful book summaries that help you grow and stay motivated every day. Thanks for watching. And remember, big change always begins small.